How's production? Are we at capacity? It is coming along. Everyone's been doing their part. Here we have the dopamine division. They keep us productive. That's endorphins. With the new workout schedule, they've had a very strong quarter. Oxytocin has shown month-over-month growth, especially with the recent hire. Yes, the emotional backbone of the company. And this is the serotonin department. What the hell's this? He's more of a B player. He just sits there. Do we not have more than one? No. Budget cuts. Hey you, get back to work. We've tried that. He doesn't really do anything. Yeah, it's just not enough. Hey, no drinking on the job. Don't do it. Put the beer down. Can't we replace him? Can't, he's unionized. Okay. We gotta put him on a performance plan. He needs a better diet. I'm talking vegetables, whole grains. Meditation. We can rebuild him. We have the supplements. Son of a bitch!